Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to program a Dodge Dart key fob. First, gather all the key fobs you wish to program, including any existing ones and new ones. Make sure your car battery is fully charged to avoid interruptions during the process. This method is straightforward and can save you a trip to the dealership. We will walk through each step carefully to ensure success. Now, let's begin the programming sequence. Insert an already programmed key into your Dodge Dart's ignition. Turn the key to the on position, but do not start the engine. Hold it there for about 5 seconds, then turn it off and remove it. This action prepares your vehicle's system for the new key fob. Be ready to proceed quickly to the next step. With the first key removed, quickly insert the new, unprogrammed key into the ignition within 10 seconds. Turn this new key to the on position for 5 seconds, then turn it off and remove it. Your vehicle should now recognize the new key fob. Test all the buttons, like lock and unlock, to confirm it's working correctly. If you have more fobs, repeat the process for each one. If your key fob isn't working after the process, don't worry. Double-check each step, ensuring you followed the timing precisely. Sometimes, a slight delay can disrupt the sequence. Remember to program all your key fobs, both old and new, in the same session for them to function correctly. For more helpful tips and to find great deals, including the Oala water bottle mentioned, check the description below. Thanks for watching and drive safely.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.